What's up YouTube, and thank you for watching the Soldier Barber Life. Today I just got a package in the mail from Stylecraft Gamma Plus. Now I did open up the package to see what it is, but I have not unboxed it yet, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so here it is. Pretty big box here, and when I first got it I was pretty sure I knew what it was, but didn't know until I unboxed it, and I'm really excited about this one. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what we got in here. Bam, here we go. Got that Gamma Magnetic Mat Station Organization System. So this is the new mat that was just made by Gamma Plus, and I'm really liking it. This is going to be a great upgrade from my current station that I have set up right now. I definitely have a whole new idea with how I want to go with setting this mat up and how I want to set my station up. So this is going to be a great addition for me. Really looking forward to seeing what's in here and checking this out. So let's go ahead and just read some of the specs on it. Pretty much secure magnetic strip, holds 4 clippers, so up at the top there, magnetic bar for your magnetic guards that you have, a USB cable block, so that's a separate piece, heat and water resistant anti-slip surface. So pretty much what you got there, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces on there, magnetic bar, and then another magnetic bar here at the bottom where you could put your guards. So let's go ahead and open this up, check this out, see what it looks like. Alrighty, so here it is. So first initial thoughts is this thing has got some weight to it. So it's definitely heavy duty, it's got some weight to it. Your clippers aren't going to be going anywhere with this. Like I say, you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4 parts here. You got your magnetic bar if you want to set your clippers on there vertically and have those up in the air. And then on the bottom here, we've got a magnetic piece here and here, and that's where that bar is going to attach that comes with it, which is this piece here. Let's take this out. And we're just going to slap that on those 2 magnets there, like that, bam. And then we will be able to put our magnets on there. So this is the mat here. Now, what you will see is that what's sold separately is the cable block. So the Gamma Plus Barber Hood Gamma Plus cable block is a USB hub station with 3 charging ports. So this is something that's going to be sold separately, but it is an add-on to the Barber Mat itself. So what that gives you is you get 3 USB charging outlets on there that you'll be able to hook up, and has a 6-foot power cable in there, so you'll be able to hook this up and actually charge some of your clippers using a USB cord, which is a pretty great addition to have. There that is. We got this piece here, and looks like you got the mat here. Put this on the bottom there, and then the block goes in here like such. It just snaps, pretty much snaps right in place. You've got your 3 notches here on the side where the USB will come in, cable for it. Let's go ahead and plug this up and let's test it out. Right, so I got this set up here now so I can demonstrate, kind of show you how this works. So you have the little charger block that sits here, and this will sit in here a little bit more flush. It's just not sitting even right now because I have it sitting on my prior way that I have my setup going. But as you can see, this is the bar that holds all your magnetic guards. You have the slots here for your clippers, and then you've got the power bank here to where you can plug in USBs. So then you have that there so you can grab your clippers or trimmers. Go ahead and plug that into there, into the back. Like that, and boom, we are charging. And then just set that on there like that, and you're charging right there. Another thing, you get something like that, grab your Stylecraft heat stroke, plug her in, and just set that right there. You can see we're charging. Just set that there, and then we're charging up our stuff. Once that's fully charged, you can switch it out. Get you another tool. Grab our boost it, and let's plug that in. Boom, we're charging. Slide that on there like that, and you have 3 slots over here on this side, so you can have 3 items charging through USB at the same time, which is pretty cool. That'll do it for this unboxing. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I will be redoing my station and setting it up with this mat with all my clippers and how I'm going to set everything up on there. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for part 2 of this Gamma Magnetic Mat, and setting it up on my station, actually see how it works, the functionality, and then let you guys know like my full opinions on how it